The fly is one of the most common and diverse groups of animals on the planet. Although they so often share an antagonistic relationship with humans as an annoyance or a potential carrier of diseases, these insects also serve many important ecological roles. They are the second most common pollinators, behind only bees. They help to keep the environment free of decomposing animal flesh. And as a common subject of genetic research, they also help to advance the frontiers of human knowledge. The evolutionary history of these insects dates back some 240 million years in the fossil record. These insects rub their legs together in order to keep them clean. The bristles on the legs are important sensory organs that can taste the food they land on. The maggots, which feed on decomposing tissue, have historically been used by humans to clean wounds. These insects undergo 4 different life stages. The first stage, the egg, only lasts a matter of 8 to 12 hours. After hatching, the insect enters a prolonged larval stage in which it goes through a few different molting periods over the course of several days or weeks. The third stage, the pupa, is an intermediate form between larva and adult. It lasts an average of 5 days. The final adult phase mostly serves the purpose of reproduction. The insect's lifespan lasts only a few weeks long. However, in this short time, it is very reproductively active. A single female can lay 500 eggs every 3 to 4 days. The order of Diptera comes in so many shapes and sizes that it is difficult to say anything precise about it, but the one trait that unites all of them together is the dual wing structure. The first pair of wings are used for flight, while the second reduced pair is used primarily for balance and maneuverability. Other important features include 2 large compound eyes, claws or pads that enable them to stick on smooth surfaces, and complex mouthparts designed for some combination of sucking, lapping, and piercing. Most species in this order measure less than an inch long. The largest species is the South American fly, Goromidas heros, which can measure up to 3 inches. These insects are found in almost every single ecosystem and habitat on the planet except for the Antarctic. They seem to pose the greatest danger to human health in certain warm and tropical regions. These insects have adapted all kinds of feeding strategies. They can be herbivorous, carnivorous, scavengers, decomposers, and even parasites. Most species have evolved to consume decaying organic matter from fruits, vegetables, meat, and even feces. Mosquitoes, tsetse flies, and many other types survive by feeding on the blood of vertebrate animals, while other species feed directly on the flesh. The best way to prevent these insects in the first place is to eliminate all sources of decaying food matter, including both human and pet food, around the home. Proper food storage and regular cleaning are a necessity to maintaining a fly-free environment. If you want to get rid of the insects that have already entered your home, then you should invest in proper traps, electric insect zappers, and sprays. They also seem to have an aversion to strong herbs such as mint, lavender, and bay leaf. Keep your doors and windows closed as often as possible and try to eliminate or cover up any holes where they can get in.